Hello, my name is Tom Nastis of Innovative Ventures, and I'm a host of this show called Scaling Up Innovation. Entrepreneurs from Melbourne, Australia, to here in Moscow, to Mumbai, to Miami, create and invest in business models that leverage human talent, their capital, resources, and time to generate wealth for themselves, their employees, and to make their communities a better place to live and to work. Every week, we here at Scaling Up Innovation present Russian companies and Russian entrepreneurs for our Russian and international viewers. Some of these companies are deploying established technologies to build businesses in Russia. For example, internet, digital media, alternative energy, nanotechnology, digital medias, as some examples. From time to time, we interview Russian entrepreneurs that are executing and deploying game-changing, disruptive technology for global markets. Russian entrepreneurs have created great businesses. In Russia, in the Russia internet space, Yandex is the #1 search engine with revenues of over $350 million. Ozone is the leading internet e-commerce company with revenues of over $100 million, and European investor Index Venture as one of their core investors. Some Russians have actually created global businesses. For example, David Yang of Abbey Software, who has a company with sales of over $100 million selling into 150 countries, and Acronis that's working in the area of software for data backup management with sales of $130 million and being sold globally. If you are a seed or early stage investor for the United States or Europe, a technology entrepreneur, a user, a customer of technology, we give you a window to what's happening here in Russia, how the market is developing, who the players are, who the potential partners are, and what business opportunities might exist for you as customers adopt technology businesses here in Russia. For our Russian viewers, you learn what Russian entrepreneurs are doing to build their business models here, obstacles they face, and how they are solving these problems to build and grow their business. Who knows, maybe some of their solutions might be useful to you. Our interviews run about 7 to 8 minutes. Since the people we are speaking to are speaking in English with different levels of competency, they explain their business in a 2-page questionnaire that we upload to the site for your viewing anytime. Not only are we presenting Russian entrepreneurs and Russian companies, but Scaling Up Innovation presents ideas and advice to Russian entrepreneurs on improvements to their business model, how they can better achieve scalability. And this is where you, our viewers, can make a contribution. And I ask your help and your input. Every region, every city, every country requires a community of specialists, of entrepreneurs, investors, business angels, accountants, lawyers, marketing and PR specialists, universities, R&D grant programs, economic development professionals, to create an environment, to create the opportunity for young, innovative companies to grow, to develop, and thrive. In the 1980s, only in Silicon Valley and the area around the Massachusetts Institute of Technology did such a community exist, with the dedication, money, time, and effort of many people. Technology communities developed in places like Austin, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, Raleigh, North Carolina, Ann Arbor, Michigan, and even in international cities like Bangalore, Beijing, London, and Helsinki. For a variety of reasons, Russia is just now developing its community of entrepreneurship, technology creation, and investment. But this takes time, and we all know that with more intellectual input, the sharing of ideas, what works, what doesn't work, that we can speed Russia's integration into the global technology community to create more opportunities for all of us. One desire of mine is that you, our viewers, members of the international venture capital community, the technology infrastructure, will make suggestions that Russian entrepreneurs can use to improve their business models, to evaluate their businesses from a different set of eyes, ears, and perspectives. Many Russian entrepreneurs are not sensitive to the needs of foreign customers to penetrate global markets, or how the needs of discriminating international technology buyers and investors can be used to improve their business models here in Russia. So please, make comments to what you see here, or answer entrepreneurs' questions on building their business. How do they scale up marketing and sales? How do they access global markets? We've organized this site so that you can make comments to interviews and you can directly interact with entrepreneurs. Hopefully, over time, entrepreneurs will be referred to more specialists, thereby expanding our circle of contacts and value-added contributors to Russian companies and the innovation system in Russia. A project like this could not have happened without the encouragement, time, and support of my partners, Maxim Snigarev and Alexander Stratilov, founders of Jammy in Moscow, the twins Ivan and Sasha Burtnik, founders of Skillopedia. I thank them for their time, commitment, and support to making Scaling Up Innovation a reality. If you have comments, suggestions, criticisms, please let me know by posting your comments here. Send me an email or Twitter me at Tom Nastis, Innovative Ventures, or Scaling Up Innovation. If you have an entrepreneur, a technology, or a company you'd like to see profiled, let me know. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.